Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into what this video is about, if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe so that you can keep up with my videos. Now jumping into today's upload, I have a date night get ready with me for y'all. We went out to dinner and I wanted to show you guys my quick 15-minute makeup look that I wore. So yeah, let's get into it.
I've been sick again. Want you. I've been sick again. I've been drinking. I get filthy when the liquor get into me. I've been thinking, why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you, nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off you, baby? I want you, nah. Ooh. Cigars on ice. Feeling like you're not in movies, cameras all in my grill, flashing flashing lights. You got me fitted, baby, I want you. Nah, nah. Can't keep your eyes off my fatty daddy, I want you. Nah, nah. Drunk love. We woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen? Oh, baby. Drunk in love, we be all night. Last thing I remember is our beautiful bodies grinding off of that club. Drunk in love, we be all night. Love. Everything alright, no complaints from my body, so fluorescent under these lights. Boy, I'm drinking, pocket in my light, 7-Eleven. I'm rubbing on the rubbing. If you scared, call that Revlon. Boy, I'm drinking, get my brain right. I'm on dipping, yeah, gangster wife. The weed sheets, see, sweat it out like wash rags. See, where with that boy, I'm drinking, I'm singing on the mic to my boys' toys. Then I fill the tub up halfway, then ride it with my surfboard. Surfboard, raining on that wood, graining on that wood. I'm swerving on that, swerving on that big body. Been serving all this, surfing all of this, good.